Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall Python from your Windows 11. First of all, right click on this Windows icon and click on settings. You can also open the settings by searching in the search bar. Then click on apps. You will see this apps option on left side and click on installed apps. Here you will see the already installed program in your Windows. Search here for Python and click on these three dots. Click on uninstall and then again uninstall. Yes, the Python is uninstalled. Next I will click on close. From here again I will click on these three dots and click on uninstall and uninstall. Press yes. So Python launcher is uninstalled as well. I will minimize this, close the CMD. Again I will type CMD and type here Python. Okay, you can see that there is no Python installed on our Windows 11 and it is moving me to search like Python if I want to install it. So friends, this was the video that how you can uninstall Python from Windows 11. Thanks for watching.